Hello kids, today we will draw a cute ice cream cone. Now first of all, draw a semicircle. Draw few round shaped zigzag lines. Under semicircle, make one more curve, but it should be half like this. Again zigzag lines. Now draw a cone. Now draw diagonal lines on cone like this. Another side triangle lines from top to bottom. You can draw line with the help of pencil or any color. Draw small cherry. Now there is few nuts on ice cream cream. Draw eyes to make it cute. Wow, what a beautiful eyes. Now I'll draw a smiling face. Now we will fill this ice cream cone with the help of wax crayons. This is cherry. While filling, जब भी आप इसको भरोगे, बी केयरफुल कि जो आपका ये क्रेयॉन्स है ये लाइन के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. दिस इज क्रीम एरिया. Our one more cream area. Now fill these nuts with different colors. These are beautifully nuts. Now this is inner part of mouth. We have to draw from red color. This is orange color. We have to fill on cone. My cone is of orange color. आपका जो क्रेयॉन कलर्स हैं वो लाइंस के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, आउटसाइड नहीं होना चाहिए. Nice, looks so beautiful. Be careful. Your color should be inside the cone only. Wow, now we completed our ice cream cone. It's look very beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to learn more beautiful drawings. Thank you.